My name is Joseph Carson. I'm the Chief Security Scientist at Thycotic. Security as a service is basically a way of delivering or consuming security, similar to that of, let's say, software as a service, only it's really focused more narrowly on the security solutions themselves. And it means that organizations, rather than having to implement and install and manage them in their own premises, it's really about basically going into the internet and looking for what provides the right requirements for your business and then consuming it directly. So you're consuming just that features and functionality that you need and not the underlying system requirements that typically can be more costly and also require more skilled resources as well. Well, what's the changes is that mainly we're starting to see more newer advanced solutions becoming available from the cloud that were only typically in the past available from on-premise. So things like privileged access management is now available from the cloud, where in the past it was only available on-premise. Things like application control, or what we call in Thycotic as privilege manager, that's also now available from the cloud as well as a service. So solutions that were typically not available in the cloud, we're starting to see more availability, more solutions, more innovation happening, and organizations are, it's giving more organizations access to solutions that were typically outside of their reach. We're now giving that where it was sometimes only available in the Fortune 500, now it's available for every business out there, whether it being small, medium, or large. They can now get the same solution basically as a service from the cloud. What does this mean for the future? As many organizations are really adopting security as a service and MSSP models, is that we're really seeing that it's a cloud-first approach. When they look at new strategies and new security initiatives, they're really thinking about is that what have already been cloud-enabled, what are available in the cloud, and that's going to be the first approach. But we're also going to see a trend when it comes into larger organizations and even insurance companies that are really seeing that the need for supply chain, the need for their suppliers to be more secure, or their third-party companies that they work with. We're going to see more organizations move to the shared security model, which is really about organizations become an MSSP themselves. They're going to have lots of suppliers, hundreds of different companies they're working with, and they're going to need to make sure that every single one of those companies has the rights and same security. And they're going to be using MSSP, they're going to be using cloud security solutions to make sure that they have the same consistency, same governance, same compliance, same requirements that their business do. And that's where we're really going to see the future of security moving into that shared security model. And security as a service is going to be the enabler for that, along with MSSP.